Okay, so here is your exam. Hopefully you've watched the TED Talks and read this article. The first thing to notice is that you're only doing 3. There's 7 questions. Please only do 3. That's all you have to do. The theme you're going to see for all the questions is to relate it to the content of the course. And it's not enough just to say, well, this has to do with strong families. No. As you know, same thing we've been doing all semester long. Nothing has changed. You will talk about a specific characteristic of strong families or a specific function of families, such as affective nurturance, and you will use that terminology, perhaps make some headings, perhaps make a chart, organize it, and be really, really, really clear. It only helps if you're clear. Okay, so here's a TED Talk about this Agile program, which is kind of interesting. How does it relate to things like characteristics of strong families and or the functions of families? So a 12-mark question, if you can relate it to, say, 3 of these and 3 of these, or 4 and 2, or whatever, 6 of them from the 2 together, then that's great. Same thing here. 6 ideas, relate it to each one. Then off you go. Brene Brown is a fabulous, very inspirational TED Talk. Highly recommend it, whether you use it for the exam or not. And again, 6 things from this list somehow, and away you go. Next one. What do you think, based on what you've learned about common law, marriage, and divorce? Would you want to get married? Why or why not? Based on, again, what we've learned in class. Parenting. So there's lots of, even though we did a little bit about parenting styles, I believe at the end of the course, there's all kinds of stuff about that parent-child relationship and young children, all that stuff throughout the course. So wherever you can find it, again, 6 ideas related to talk about each one, off you go. This one has you really thinking about your own future. How do you think what we've learned in class is going to relate to your life? Are there things you're going to use? Are there things you think, ideas from the course that you think you wouldn't want to apply to your life, or that don't apply to your life, or that you don't see in your future? And the last one, what kind of a person would you want in a partner? So we looked at things like marriage styles. We looked at the different theories of attraction. So any of that or anything else you can think of that may be relatable from the course. Again, 6 ideas, explain each, and away you go. Okay, so when you see 12 marks, just don't panic. Okay, it's really 6 with a short explanation for each. Okay, make sure you're watching the course doc for answers to common questions. Look there before you email me. And just give me some time. Remember that I'm also supervising kids at my school while you're writing your exam at your school. So you have to sort of give me a little bit of lag time to get those answers, but let's just try and do it all electronically. Try not to bug the adults in the room in your building. We shouldn't need to do that. All right. Good luck.